We're here in Birmingham anyway. We're at the tea factory.
Yeah, Typhoon Tea Factory.
Is it actually a Typhoon tea factory?
Yeah. Right. Crack on!
Finally. It's getting nighty timey. What a day. What a fucking day. Here it is. This place looks absolutely fucking huge. Are you kidding me? You saved us some money. I bought that guy's all-day ticket off him for £1. This place is huge. Yo! You alright?
Mate. Told you there was someone in
I didn't realise.
Is there kids in it?
Yeah. That's beautiful. Right. Like a group of like 14 grandfathers. So they're ours, so watch out.
Right. There's some people running around with balaclavas on apparently, so gotta watch out for them bastards.
Fucking huge. You hear 'em? This there.
What the fuck are they doing?
Smashing shit up. This is one of them days.
Are you feeling sketched out?
Yeah, because I'm sketched out.
Oh, I'm not bothered.
I'm in Birmingham.
Wagging shit about it. Oi! Keep it out, kids.
I don't think anyone gives a shit about this place though.
I wanna go up.
Are you sure it's fucking them and not fucking demolition team?
No, the youth had so much anger.
What else are you gonna do on a Sunday evening? Fucking hell. I mean,
What the fuck?
shit, and they've stopped. Shit.
It's one of them hurt.
It's one of them hurt themselves.
Like, what the fuck can they possibly be doing? I'm so curious.
What to see, like, how much carnage and causage. It's fucking like, it's like someone's let the Incredible Hulk out. Yeah, sounds like that thing that drags the axe in Resident Evil.
They're just smashing the windows out on the roof.
Fuck me. These buggers. I can smell it. They're there.
Yeah, you can see them.
It does look like a cool roof, so you might as well smash it up, is that what you're saying?
Whoa. Just a lot of empty spaces. Police van just went past.
What?
Van just went past.
Police van?
Yeah, I don't know if I got it out, but that's good.
This is like one of those places where it's, unless the graffiti is good, it's...
Yeah, it's just big empty shit.
Yeah, it's just big empty shit.
Reminds me of Cannon Brewery a bit.
Yeah.
Look at that. Look at that view.
Oh shit, yeah. Look at that.
See what you look at the fucking size of the water tank. I guess it were a tea place. They're round that corner. We can't get up any higher. Oh, we can, we can. I can see him, I can see him.
Fucking Jesus.
Literally about like 7.
There's 7.
So, no, they look about the age of 7.
Yeah, but Al, you look about 7.
They're running like a fucking big metal pole at windows.
Oidie, you need to get up here.
Why?
It's proper secure, it's all concrete floor.
Yeah, no, but I don't like this fucking ladder.
But the view is fucking ace.
I saw the view.
No, it's better up here. It's 360, you can see everywhere.
Oh, fucking...
They
Of
just-
Birmingham.
There's like, yeah, it's really good honestly.
Oh, yeah,
There's like,
sounds amazing.
you should come up,
I don't wanna.
come up.
I don't wanna.
There's like 4 kids and just smashing windows.
I'm not bothered about them. I don't wanna climb up this shitty ladder.
Fucking lad, it's not even that bad. It's not that bad, honestly.
It's not that bad. No, I've seen more sturdy ladders.
Get up.
Oh, for fuck's sake. This is just every fucking time.
Not the ladders.
I know, I'm not thinking about, oh, we need one of them fuckers to come and take ladders.
Have you seen him?
Yeah, no, I've got eyes.
Calm down, mate, calm
It's
down.
Birmingham, it's a shithole.
Residents of the building.
The thing is, right, when it comes to children, right, like, what do you do? If they like come up to you with a knife, what do you
Well,
do?
no, it's not just that, right?
Kick them.
Kids have like no sense of like
Smell.
No,
They can't smell till they're 12.
no, like what is it? Like when you don't think ahead.
Alright, yeah.
Yeah,
They have no sense of
Hindsight.
that. Yeah, no, it's the opposite of hindsight. They have no sense of that. So that's why you end up with fucking kids that stab 34-year-olds because they looked at them funny.
We've done the Thai food tea and it was just big empty bullshit rooms. With a cool view from the top though.
Oh, that's the cinema.
Any last words?
Why are you gonna kill us?